Hey, hey, Wild West adventurers! School is in session. Stay tuned for Wild West snippets. Hey, hey, Wild West adventurers! It's December 12th. The year is 1868. In the early morning hours of December 12th, 1868, a group of 50 or so vigilantes forced their way into the jail in New Albany, Indiana. They pulled brothers Frank, William, and Simeon Reno, along with Charlie Anderson, out onto the second-floor balcony and hung them. What had they done? Well, they were all members of the notorious Reno Gang. The Reno Gang had started off as bounty hunters during the Civil War. After the Civil War, they started robbing general stores and banks and the like. But it wasn't until the evening of October 6th that they became the notorious Reno Gang. They are responsible for the very first train holdup in American history. On that night, 3 of the Reno Gang jumped aboard a train on the Ohio and Mississippi train line. They held up the engineer and they robbed some $12,000 from the purser's car. They slowed the train down after they rang the bell. They jumped off and into the night. And it was because of them that notorious outlaws Frank and Jesse James, the Dalton Gang, and Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid decided, maybe train robbery is a lucrative employment. Catch on down the trail. That concludes our lesson for the day. Thank you for watching Wild West Adventures Snippets. Your homework assignment is to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Class is dismissed.